crazy wind. Some of the trees are shaking like crazy. Haven't seen anything like this in a while. Wind is real strong. I'm gonna quickly get back inside now.